Hi, welcome to my studio and YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to paint oil landscape. It's on the way from Medicine Park. There's a little park we have in Oklahoma, and on the way you see some little hills. We call them mountains, Wichita Mountains. And I did this landscape from memory. I've seen so many times different skies and different roads. So this is my kind of feelings and impression about the Wichita Mountains and a view of our landscape in Oklahoma. And this is how this is painting will look like. And let's see how I did it. So see you in easel. Okay, we have those images in our memory, so all it is just take them out and put them and visualize them and put them on a little canvas or masonite or board, whatever we do. And color same way, it's just a little bit change in our perceptions. It's a little different than reality, but this is how we process our images, and it depends how you feel that time when you saw something. And so I try and capitalize on what I saw it when I was driving to a little Medicine Park, actually from that park, and what I saw on the road, and I'm trying to just paint it. It was sometimes feel like there's this little abstract approach to what we visualize our surroundings. My preferred tool is a palette knife, and I just like to use it for unknown reason to me. Maybe because of the texture, I can create it with it, and nothing wrong with using palette brows, but it's just kind of I just enjoy it using palette knife as squeegees. In this close-up, you can see it. I could create a little like a shingles, like or tails. When the light will hit the area, that will give you nice reflection, nice colors. Whole thing is a little bit in a warm tones because there was a sunset late afternoon in Oklahoma, and that's was I'm trying to finish this little vibration of the air and movement on the field in the background, little colors. Not necessarily they were like this in the real life, but I'm not trying to copy the nature. It just kind of this is the mine feelings with experience seeing those images surrounding me. And that's last touch-ups with a palette knife, a little bit broader strokes and the colors to get this little feelings. The light is gonna be changed to shadow and then darkness of the night. You can accomplish the same thing with a brush. It's just, I guess, it's a personal thing. I like to cake with a paint. When I mean cake, I want to go a little bit thicker with a paint to create this kind of little sculpty effects and a texture. And our painting is almost done. Just touch-ups of the light hitting the areas on the landscape. I hope you like this presentation, and I hope I will see you next time.